The carrying effect is very good. This is a turnkey ship slaughterhouse built by our company. That is goat ship pens. This is the V-belt conveyor. And here is the ship hanging hoisting machine. The workers will hang the ship feet to the hoisting machine, and then the ship will be transported by the automatic conveyor. And a worker will re-hand and pre-peeling the ship skin here. Worker will pre-peel, pre-skinning here. All these processes are pre-skinning. And this is the ship skinning, ship height puller. After the pre-peeling, the high puller will pull off the ship skin automatically. In this position, the workers will re-hand carcass will be re-handing to the automatic carcass processing reel. The workers will take out ship offals. The ship carcass will go through this online scale. This is online scale on the wheel. The ship carcass will go into the chilling room through this automatic running railway to the chilling room. Pre-cooling room.